Okay, so one common use case for large language models, or LLMs for short, such as OpenAI, is to create a chatbot that can analyze business documents and then provide relevant responses based on those business documents. This type of chatbot is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. In Retrieval Augmented Generation, the LLM retrieves contextual documents from an external dataset as part of its execution. So let's see an example. Here I have set up a hospital system chatbot. Now, my hospital system chatbot is able to answer questions about all the data collected from our hospitals within our system. So, for example, which hospitals are part of our system? As you can see here, our chatbot provides us a list of all the hospitals that are a part of our hospital system. Let's ask another question. What is the current wait time at Wallace Hamilton Hospital? And you can see here, Wallace Hamilton is a part of our hospital system. Okay, so the current wait time at Wallace Hamilton Hospital is 3 hours and 12 minutes. Let's ask one more question. What is the average billing amount for Medicaid visits? So the average billing amount for Medicaid visits is $25,244.72. So this is our hospital system chatbot, which is designed as a retrieval augmented generation system. But let's take a look at the business documents that our hospital system chatbot uses. Here on the back end, you can see some of the business documents that our hospital system chatbot uses to provide the responses. We have our hospital CSV file, which has a list of all of our hospitals within our system, such as the name and the state in which the hospital is a part of or resides in. We also have our patients CSV file, which has all of our patients that are part of our hospitals, such as name, sex, ID number, date of birth, and blood type. We also have our payers CSV, our physicians CSV, reviews, visits, and so forth. This data is loaded into a database. Let's take a look at our database. Now, our database is what our hospital system chatbot is using to provide the responses to our users from our questions that we ask. So here, if we click on hospitals and we click on table, we see the hospitals that we have saved from our CSV files or our business documents, as you can see here. The same for patients. We have all of our patient data, payers, physicians, reviews, and so forth. Okay, so this is how a retrieval augmented generation system is set up. It works with documents that you provided, analyzes those documents, and provides responses based on the data from those documents. If you would like to know more about retrieval augmented generation, I will provide a link to the hospital system chatbot or to the tutorial of the hospital system chatbot, which you can find on the Real Python. Build an LLM RAG Chatbot with LangChain by Mr. Harrison Hoffman. As always, thank you for viewing this video, and if you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out. Take care.